Another quick, fun, and easy Dollar Tree DIY for this fall. All right, so you can use these wood squares that you can get from Dollar Tree. I got these circles from Michael's, but they were about like $1 too. But you can use a bunch of different things. But I'm going to use these wood planks that you get in a pack from Dollar Tree. I'm going to double mine up so that they are just a little bit thicker. I have four of the square ones and then two of the rectangle ones. You could triple them up and you would have like a nice thick one, but I'm just going to do double because that's all I have. I'm going to glue them together. You can use wood glue too if you want. I'm just going to push them together, wait for it to dry. You want to make sure that everything is nice and even, because when you're done, you want it to be able to stand up with no problem. So I did all of those. I just put glue around the edge, not in the middle. You could cover this with some nice craft paper. You could do a crackling effect on this. You could do so many different things. I'm just going to paint mine. I'm going to paint each one a different color. I'm going to paint around all of the edges. Just the only part you don't have to worry about is the bottom, because it will be standing on the bottom. So I went and did the first one. This color I love for this fall. So I did this one, just one coat. It kind of gives it like a stain kind of look, because this wood does just suck up the paint. You can go and give it a second coat if you want a more full coverage, but I like the stain type look on it. And then I went on to the next one and did that one the same exact way. I just painted around all of the edges, the top and the back, because you will be able to see the back. And then I did this one. This one you really don't notice the colors. You could leave it like that, but the color is nice. And then just to give it a little extra detail, I just went around with a different color from the other ones, if that makes sense, around the edge of each one so that it wasn't so flat. You don't have to do that part, but like I said, you can do this in so many different ways. So I just like kind of like, dirtying it up. You could also put lines in it to make it look more like a pumpkin too. You can do it so many different ways. Just whatever you feel like doing, just go with the moment as you're just doing it, and it'll come out great. And then I'm going to stack them together like you see the little decor pieces. You can do this in a bunch of different ways. I'm going to put the two square ones up front, but I don't want them to be at the same level. So I'm just going to use some Jenga blocks to elevate it. You can paint your Jenga blocks so that they are the same color and everything goes together. But I just left mine as is. So I put two on that side and elevated that one, and then just glued that one straight to there. And then now we're going to put little pumpkin stems on them. For the tall one, I'm going to put this little wooden log. And then for the other ones, I'm going to put the little square cubes you can get at Dollar Tree. I'm going to be using some sea moss just to add another little detail to the little pumpkin. So I'm just gluing that on, and then I painted the little cubes the same color as the tall pumpkin. You can paint them green. You can paint them so many different colors. But and then I'm just going to add a little bit of greenery to it too, just to give it just another little pop of color. And that is it. That's how it turned out. Love it so much. And you can customize these in so many different ways. Make sure to follow along for more fun and easy DIYs.